Hi guys, welcome back to SP Global Solution. So today we are going to discuss about inside the software testing tutorial SDLC. SDLC means software development life cycle. So you can see, so my topic is SDLC and the abbreviation is software development life cycle. Okay, so what is the meaning of the software development life cycle means? We can see it is a it is a systematic way every IT organizations follow to achieve a quality software. Okay, so what is this definition? You can see it is a systematic way. It is a systematic approach and every IT organization follow. Why? To achieve a quality software. So guys, everywhere we can see they have a own life cycle. Human also contain one life cycle. We need to burn, we need to grow and we need to die. So starting one phase and ending in another phase. Like that, every software application follows some phases. So to deliver a quality software to customer. Okay, so next I am going to point SDLC contains, as you can see this is the definition, and here SDLC contains 7 phases. How many phases? 7 phases. Phase number 1, software requirement gathering. What is that? Software requirement gathering. And the second one is software analysis and planning. And the third one is software design. And the fourth one is software coding. And the fifth one is software testing. And the sixth one is software deployment, and final one is software maintenance. Okay, so total how many phases we have? 7 phases. So what are the phases means? One is software requirement gathering. The meaning of the software requirement gathering means here we are getting the requirements from client, and once we are getting the requirements from client and we are going to study the requirement, studying and planning for how to develop. Once the planning is completed, then architecture engineer will involve and they will design the application, like blueprint of the application. What is that? Blueprint of application. And here coding, developer will writing the code to develop software. Testing, inside the testing we are finding the mistakes. And finally deployment means release to client. And once we are released the client, then client will, if client required any new requirement or existing functionality issues, the maintenance team will take care of that. So guys, so this is the 7 phases of SDLC. So what are the phases? Software requirement gathering and analysis and software design and software coding and software testing and deployment and maintenance. Okay guys, so this is about the SDLC life cycle. And maintenance is one of the phase. Some are like some projects they will require the maintenance, some projects they will not ask the maintenance. So like I can give the example. You can see one independent house. Once the building is completed, we cannot still the plumber will not available still up to the 100 years. If you can say apartment, if apartment is completed, still the maintenance person, the plumber is there or not, the plumber will be present. So maintenance having two types. One is service maintenance, one is like a permanent maintenance. Okay, so guys, so this is about the software development life cycle. Okay guys, so if you are like this type of videos, guys, please do watch and support to the SB Global Solutions. Thank you.